Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm off to the famous spot first in a while, Reggae Falls. I've heard about it a lot and it is actually in my parish, St. Thomas, and I'm just going to go there for the first time. So come with me as we travel along to experience this beautiful fall. We didn't know exactly where the fall was and we had to stop and ask several questions. But we got the right direction and we are on our way up to Hillside District. Alright? So guys, we were finally near, so it's happy to see that we have reached our destination, and we are going to just ask for final direction on to the fall. All right. So at the entrance, this fall staff stopped us and was giving us direction and told us there's a little fee to enter, so we paid, and then we are on our way down to the fall. Right?
So where you park?
Right down there. Drive right up to the porch.
Okay.
Entrance wasn't perfect, but we made our way down. So guys, on our way we saw construction happening just before you get to the fall. That big building with some heavy equipment. I was told the government tourism whatever ministry is working on this area, maybe to upscale it for the fall, because the fall is a very beautiful attraction. So we are here to just look and see what will happen next. All right. Upon arrival, we can see water, pools of water. That means we are nearing the fall. So get ready. So guys, here we are. We are almost there. So come along with me as I trek to the fall. I had to video these people. There are other people there enjoying the atmosphere. So we are going to go by them and head on up to the fall. So guys, for the most part, you have to walk into the water to get to the fall. The stones are very slippery, so you have to be careful when walking to ensure you don't fall. As the name, no pun intended, but as the name said, fall. But no, you're not going to fall. Alright, just be careful in walking. We are finally here, guys. This is the beautiful Reggae Falls that everybody is excited and wanted to go. Yes, this is the natural water from the hills. So come along and experience it. I'm going to go right under that water. Okay?
This is like a river I'm in. Guys, look at this. It's deep. It catch me at my knee. I never expected it.
And if you know me, I'm supposed to get a few pictures in.
Beautiful Reggae Falls. Beautiful Reggae Falls.
Nice too.
Very nice. Beautiful, beautiful guys. Beautiful, beautiful Reggae Falls. Yeah. Natural water. Good for your body. Yeah. My God. Guys, the life, Reggae Falls life. As usual, your style goes and falls take precedence. Whew. in the deep. Right over there. Over that side is very deep. Over here is shallow.
Guys, you can see that I enjoy every minute of this fall. I didn't want to leave, but yes, I had to. So come along and enjoy it. You will love it. Alright?
That's it for my Reggae Falls visit. It was great. I had fun. Yeah. It was a real good trip. First time here and I'm loving it. I didn't want to leave, but yeah, I had to. So, on to my next adventure.